Hello, class 9. Today I am going to discuss about the Tales of Bhola Grandpa, written by Manoj Das. You know, Manoj Das actually a award-winning bilingual writer. Bilingual means knows two languages. One is, you know, that is Odia and other is English. তাহলে দুটো ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ হলেই সেটাকে আমরা বাইলিঙ্গুয়াল বলছি। So, being a bilingual writer, Manoj Das written many stories, novels, short stories, poems, travel views, and articles on history. Travel views, that is a story about the journey to an unknown places. It's a adventurous journey, and so this is a real story about the adventure of life with a fun. So, in this story, in this text, you will see that how Manoj Das wrote down this one just to narrate that fictional story, which give you the real adventures of life, and also inform us that the simplicity and forgetfulness, যে হিউম্যানিটির মূল যে পথটা সেটা হচ্ছে সততা, সরলতা এবং ফরগেটফুলনেস, ভুলে যাওয়া, যেটাকে আমরা বলি ক্ষমা পরম ধর্ম, বিগ পার্ডন টু আদার্স is the real hero, real character of man. Live with humor and basically know all about the fun of life. Now, what is the story? Now, Manoj Das, no doubt a very popular writer among the peoples, not only in Bengal, not only in English, but also in Odia and others part of the world. This tells one story of Bhola Grandpa, provides you a different incident, a series of incidents about the fun in life, and also provides you that how a simple man become popular for his fictional story. Bhola Grandpa and his wife lived at the western end of our village. A large bokul tree overshadowed their hut. In the bokul tree lived a small troop of monkeys. Bhola Grandpa and his wife didn't mind it. That how simple the village picture is created here. Bhola Grandpa and his wife lived where? The western part of the village. পশ্চিম দিকটাতে তার ভিলেজের পশ্চিম পার্টে থাকে তারা। কোথায় না, দেয়ার ইজ এ লার্জ বকুল ট্রি ওভারশেডেড, পুরো ছায়া দিয়ে রেখেছে তার হাটকে, কুঁড়ে ঘরটিকে। অ্যান্ড ইন দিস বকুল ট্রি এ ট্রুপ অফ monkeys, a group of monkeys actually living there and don't mind about it. The village peoples are always very much friendly with the nature. So the earth is equal opportunity for the that is also for animals and the man. One moonlit night, we were returning from a festival. The road was long and foggy. I was riding on the village chowkidar's shoulders. Suddenly, Bhola Grandpa let out a loud wail. Everyone in our party was surprised. We halted. Inquiry revealed that Bhola Grandpa had taken his grandson to the festival. He had tightly held on to the two fingers of the boy. He did not realize when those fingers slipped out. Bhola Grandpa was continuing as before. Then someone asked Bhola Grandpa what he was gripping. He remembered his grandson and let out a loud wail. So, my dear students, this paragraph actually provide you that a moonlit night, Bhola Grandpa went to a festival with the village jockey. he was also, Bhola grandpa had actually taken his grandson. When they were returning, Bhola grandpa suddenly shouted loudly, খুব জোরে সে চিৎকার করেছিল, and everyone surprised, what happened, what happened? After a long, when a man actually watched that Bhola grandpa tightly had gripped something, ধরে রেখেছে কিছু, but that was, nothing was there in his hands. So they realized that Bhola grandpa actually has lost his grandson on the way to returning to home. And he actually searched his grandson, and that's why he was worried where he was. My father chose two sharp-eyed men from our party to go back with Bhola grandpa to the festival. The grandson was found before long. He had taken a cozy shelter under a cow's bed. So it's all funny. My father, means the narrator's fathers actually had taken the two sharp-eyed men for searching the grandson, and ultimately they had find out, they had seen that the Bhola grandpa's grandson was under the cozy valley of cows এর পেটের তলায় সে লুকিয়ে আছে. So it's a no doubt a funny story. They have got it. That was the story. Now Bhola grandpa's grandson actually under the cozy of cows. I remember another funny incident about Bhola grandpa related to my father. It had been a rainy afternoon. Bhola grandpa, wild with excitement, told my father and his friends that he had seen a gang of pirates. They were burying a large box under the one of sand dunes on the seashores by our village. At once, father and his friends started working for the hidden treasure. Evening passed on the night. A moonlight came through the clouds. A pack of jackals were howling. It was past midnight. At this point of time, Bhola grandpa confessed that there was no real treasure. It was a dream which he had during his mid-dinner. So that's another funny story that Bhola grandpa actually told to the narrator's father. What was the story? Now, once Bhola grandpa informed his father that some treasure was hidden inside the sand dunes nearby the river. So normally the people went there, they searching, they started the digging the whole area of the rivers. Ultimately, when evening passed, nothing would be searched, nothing would be found there. And Bhola grandpa confessed there, say স্বীকার করলো যে nothing treasure, সেখানে কোনো সম্পদ নেই. What? He had seen a daydream, সে একটা দুপুরের স্বপ্ন দেখেছিল. That was the fun. Once Bhola grandpa had a great adventures in his Sundarban. In those days, a Royal Bengal tiger freely roamed in the dense jungle of the Sundarban. People took care to move about only in groups, particularly after sundown. It was another funny story in a Sundarban area of West Bengal. যেখানে those days tigers were normally roaming here and there, and everyone was fearful. সবাই ভয় থাকতো. So people are normally grooming around here and there in a group, particularly after the sundowns, means in the evening. One evening, Bhola grandpa was returning from the weekly market. Suddenly, at distance about 5 yards behind him, he heard the growl of a Royal Bengal tiger. Bhola grandpa turned and found the bright gauge of the tiger on his face. That was a day when he was weekly market. তখনকার দিনে হাট বসতো সপ্তাহে একদিন. So you see, he was actually pushing away from the weekly market, and suddenly he at the distance he saw some yards, কয়েক মিটার দূরে, 3 মিটার দূরে সে দেখলো a Royal Bengal tiger was howling, growling or roaring so loudly, and he was give a bright gaze, একদম এক দৃষ্টিতে তার দিকে তাকিয়ে আছে. Bhola grandpa instantly climbed up a nearby banyan tree. The tiger roared and circled the trees about 100 times. The tiger was roaring so loudly more. Bhola grandpa rode up on the banyan tree. And what happens 100 times? 100 বার সে ঘুরছে ওই গাছের চারদিকে সার্কেল করছে. Then it settled down under a bush without taking its eyes off him. Or finally, The tiger was waiting there for getting Bhola Grandpa and put the eyes properly to him. With the nightfall, the forest grew dark and silent. Bhola Grandpa could hear the tiger beating its tail on the dry leaves. Hour passed. Whole night he had passed, and the tiger was also there. The tiger was silently বিটিং দ্য স্টিল, সে মারছে, আঘাত মারছে কোথায়, মাটিতে বারবার আঘাত মারছেন, সেই আওয়াজটা সে পাচ্ছে, লিভসের আওয়াজগুলো, পাতার আওয়াজগুলো। অ্যান্ড সো আওয়ার পাস্ট, রাত পেরিয়ে গেল। ডন ব্রোক উইথ এ কুইং অফ ডোরস, অর্থাৎ ঘুঘু পাখির আওয়াজে তার ঘুম ভেঙেছিল। ভোলা গ্র্যান্ডপা কেম ডাউন, উপর থেকে নেমে এসেছিল। দের ওয়াজ এ গ্রুপ অফ ম্যান অন এ মাউন্ট এ লিটল অ্যাওয়ে, কিছুটা উঁচুতে, মাউন্ট এ লিটল অ্যাওয়ে, কিছুটা দূরে একদল লোক প্রাতঃকর্মের জন্য এসেছিল। ভোলা গ্র্যান্ডপা climbed the mount and requested the first man he saw for some water to drink. After a whole night he had passed and he hadn't taken a single glass of water, so they asked for water. The man had seen the tiger waiting. মানুষগুলো কিন্তু দেখতে পাচ্ছে the tiger was there nearby Bhola Grandpa. He was much bewildered. What is your secret that you simply walked past the hungry beast and it did nothing? He asked Bhola Grandpa. So the man গুলো বলছে, বাপরে, এ তো হেভি সাহসী, was so brave, bewildered, and what is the secrecy was there, and that's why the nothing would be done, nothing harm was done by the beast, wild beast to him. He asked Bhola Grandpa. As they asked him, যেই তারা জিজ্ঞাসা করেছে, the tiger was just stretching its limbs and yawning. একটু যেন ঘুম ভাঙার, যেই তারা দেখেছে টাইগার was stretching, that একটু বৃদ্ধি করলো, he was actually forwarding his limbs and yawning, ঘাম হাই তুললো। The Bhola Grandpa remembered the tiger and looked at it. Bhola Grandpa almost lost his senses in fear. He ran back home. And Bhola Grandpa was actually lost his senseless, and ran away from that places and went towards the home. That was the forgetful man. He was actually very imaginative. Now, this is the last lesson part. What is there? Half a century, Bhola Grandpa let us forever. One morning, at the age of 95, his 80-year-old wife lamented much. She said with a sigh, the old man must have forgotten to breathe. এটাও একটা ইনসিডেন্ট যে Bhola Grandpa's wife actually informed everyone that he was died, but actually he was not died. His wife announced that might be he forgot to breathe. That was a funny incident, and I think it was giving you more amusement in your life. Now let's do the exercise. In the bokul tree, there lived a troop of monkeys. Monkeys are right there. On the back from the festivals, Bhola Grandpa tightly held to the two fingers of grandson. A gang of pirates were bearing a large box. এরপর দেখো, Bhola Grandpa was returning from the yearly market, daily market, weekly market. Bhola Grandpa died at the age of 95. এরপর যে কোশ্চেনগুলো আছে, when did Bhola Grandpa let out a loud well? তাহলে Bhola Grandpa let out a loud well when he realized that his grandson was slipped away from his hands. But when someone informed him that his grandson was slipped away from his hand. Where had the grandson found a cozy shelter? The grandson had found a cozy shelter under the belly of a cow. What request did Bhola Grandpa make to the first man he saw on the mount? Bhola Grandpa made a request to the first man for a glass of water after he had seen on the mount. How old was Bhola Grandpa's wife when he was died? Bhola Grandpa's wife, when Bhola Grandpa was died, his wife age was 95, 80 years old wife. He was 80 years. 80 year. Very good. এরপর দেখো আছে, এগুলো একটু বড়, 25 এর মধ্যে, why was no real treasure found under the sand dunes? No real treasure was found under the sand dunes because at the evening, Bhola Grandpa announced to Grandfather's father that what he had seen, that was a midday nap. It was not a real story. What did the tiger do after Bhola Grandpa had climbed up the banyan tree? When Bhola Grandpa had climbed up the banyan tree, the tiger circled around the tree 100 times and beating his legs, beating his tails on the dry leaves, just to looked, but just to watch him throughout night. What was the reason of Bhola Grandpa's death according to his wife? According to according to Bhola Grandpa's wife, Bhola Grandpa was not died. He might be forgot to take breath. এইখানে দেখো যে চেঞ্জ দ্য মুড অফ ন্যারেশন। এই ন্যারেশনের একটা আমি ক্লাস তোমাদের নিচ্ছি, পার্ট 1, পার্ট 2, পার্ট 3 করে আছে, দেখবে। দেখো অ্যাসারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স আমি একটু এখানে বলে নিই তোমাদেরকে। চেঞ্জ দ্য মুড অফ ন্যারেশনস অফ দ্য ফলোইং সেন্টেন্স। আগে আমাকে দেখতে হবে whether sentence is assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative or exclamatory। 5 রকম সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে কোনখানে এটা পড়ছে। যেমন বুলবুল সেড টু ফ্রেন্ড, উইল ইউ কাম টুমরো, তাহলে এটা ইন্টারোগেটিভ সেন্টেন্স, উইল ইউ কাম টুমরো। তাহলে আমাকে মনে রাখতে হবে লিঙ্কার্স। তাহলে লিঙ্কার্স হচ্ছে এখানে দেখো ইফ বা ওয়েদার, যদি WH না থাকে, আর WH থাকলে WH ইউজ হবে। তাহলে বুলবুল আস্কড হিজ ফ্রেন্ড ওয়েদার অর ইফ হি উড কাম নেক্সট ডে। পৌলমি সেজ আই এম ফাইন। দেখো সেজ আছে, এর একটা রুল আছে যে when there is a simple present or simple future, the reporting speech never be changed. No tense would be changed. Pavlovi says that she was fine. The teacher said to student, keep quiet. দেখো এটা একটা অর্ডার, এটা রিকোয়েস্ট, অ্যাডভাইসও বলতে পারো। দ্য টিচার অ্যাডভাইস দ্য স্টুডেন্ট টু কিপ কোয়াইট। আমরা জানি ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্সের জয়নিং হচ্ছে টু ইনফিনিটিভ দিয়ে, আর সাজেস্টিভ সেন্টেন্স হলে দ্যাট। মাই মাদার সেড টু মি, মে ইউর ড্রিমস কামস ট্রু। তাহলে দেখো এই জায়গাটায় দেখো মে ইউর ড্রিমস কাম ট্রু, এটা উইসিং, তার মানে এটা হচ্ছে আমার অপটেটিভ সেন্টেন্স। তাহলে মাই মাদার উইসড মি দ্যাট মাই ড্রিমস মাইট কাম ট্রু। The student said, sir, please allow us to play in the field. আমরা অনুমতি দিতে চাইছি। The student asked for permission to his sir that he should allow them to play in the field. That's all. এখানে দেখো এবার in each of the following sentences of the following passage, some articles and prepositions are used in the incorrect manner. Underline them and replace them with the appropriate ones. On an winter, on an winter, এটা on an নয়, on a winter, in a winter night, on a winter night, on a হবে এখানে, I was board a boat, it was a moonlit night full on stars, full of stars হবে, এটা on নয়। The boat was anchored, up হবে না, anchored into a great river. I was thrilled to see the beauty of nature. That's all. Now exercise 6. Now write a dialogue with 100 words of the needs to ban the use of animals like tigers and lions and circus attractions. Normally we have seen that people get fun the animals in the circus, but it's a real tragedy of life to them. Now make a dialogue to your both friends that how to decrease this one, how to save the animals from this ill treatment of the circus, and how the Indian law would be implemented to protect them from this any kinds of illegal work. Write a story within 100 words using give hints. দেখো হাউ টু রাইট এ স্টোরি, এটা আমরা লেসন আছে, এবং এই স্টোরিটাও খুব ভালো হবে। একটু পড়ে তোমরা এটা লিখবে, সিম্পল পাস্ট টেন্সে লিখতে হবে, ক্যারেক্টারের মধ্যে যা আছে সেগুলো তোমাকে ফলো করতে হবে, এবং লিঙ্কস তোমাকে ঠিক লিখতে হবে। লিঙ্কগুলো তোমাকে দেয়ার আফটার অল, অ্যাট দ্য মুমেন্ট, জাস্ট আফটার, এই ব্যাপারগুলো তোমাকে কিন্তু রাখতে হবে। সো রাইট ডাউন দিস টু and send me to my WhatsApp number 790 868 74 62। I hope you will do that and get next class all about a dog. এটা আমি নেক্সট ডেতে করবো, পরের লেসনে তোমরা থেকো। I think it will be solve your problems. Okay, thank you for watching this channel.